Yes.
No.
Okay. Okay. Can you say? Okay. You are going to say. When you say no, you say no thanks. When you say yes, you say yes please. And when you say okay, you say okay great. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. Would you like to go horse riding?
Yes, please.
Yes, please. Next one. Do you want to go swimming?
Okay, great.
Okay, great. Okay, next one. Would you like to play badminton?
No thanks.
No, thanks. Next one. Do you want to play hockey?
No thanks.
No, thanks. Would you like to go fishing?
Yes, please.
Yes, please. Okay, Min Ann, do you want to ride your bike?
Okay, great.
Wow. Okay, great job, Min Ann. Let's go to the next one. So, okay. Okay, now this one, Min Ann. Okay, can you read this one, Min Ann?
I'm really good at running and I'm good at football.
Okay.
I
Okay. So this one, Min Ann, can you give me an example? What you are good at? For example, me, teacher, I'm really good at dancing, and I'm good. I know. Yeah. I know. I'm really good uh at playing badminton, and I'm good at playing volleyball. How about you, Min Ann? What do you good at? What are you good at?
I really good at dancing and I'm good at football.
Wow. Okay, this one. Now let us read this one first, Min Ann, and then let us
I'm not good at badminton and I'm not good at catching.
okay, how about you, Min Ann? What are you not good at? Sport. You
I'm
can, okay?
not good at badminton and I'm not good at baseball.
Ah, okay. Wow, great job.